والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And a very good morning to all of you. Today I'm going to be talking about something very sad. About something that when we think about it, it brings tears to our heart. About something that's very close to our heart. The current situation in Gaza. The Israelis said it was only self-defense. Self-defense. But maybe they're right. Because according to their definition of self-defense, it's lies over lies over lies. It's killing innocent lives who did nothing but enter this world. We have been seeing those dreadful videos online. We have been seeing the current death tolls. There's over 8,300 dead, and 3,750 of them are children. In Palestine, every 10 minutes a child dies. Every 10 minutes. If you're still going to call it self-defense, then I don't know what you are. Because it's not self-defense when kids are carrying kids. When kids are screaming their lungs out looking for their dead parents. When kids are screaming their lungs out while their parents write their names just to identify them after the bombs. It's not self-defense when parents are screaming their lungs out looking for their dead children. It's not self-defense when parents have to pick their children from under the rubbers. It's not self-defense when children are starving. It's not self-defense when you told 1.1 million people to evacuate, but then you just bombed their cars and left nothing but dust behind. It's not self-defense when those kids don't have a school to go to. It's not self-defense when hospitals and schools and churches and masjids, everything is bombs. This is not self-defense. We are currently living those children's dreams, and they are living our worst nightmare. A nightmare that we haven't imagined. A nightmare that we can't even think of will happen. But still those kids say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. So how grateful should we be? We have a school over our head. We have a roof over our head. We have a school to come to. We have food to come to school. We have Wi-Fi. We have internet. We have electricity. We have people around us. We have our parents waiting at home. We have our siblings waiting at home. We can see colors and we don't see just black and dust throughout the country. We are living right now. We are breathing. We are sleeping in the comfort of our homes with the AC bashing in our faces. When those kids don't even fall asleep because they're starving in hunger. They don't know if when they wake up the next day, the people they're sleeping with tonight is going to be there. They don't know if when they wake up the next day, the house they're sleeping under is going to be there. They don't know if they're going to even wake up the next day. They don't know how they're going to explain to their younger siblings of why they're the only survivor. They don't know how they're going to explain to their younger siblings that they have to live alone after this. They don't know how they're going to explain to their younger siblings that their parents died. They don't know how to find food the next day. Imagine having to think about so much just before sleeping as a 10-year-old. Imagine having to believe that you're the only survivor from your entire family. We are not blind. We are not deaf. We can continue to use this voice that we are. Put it out into the world. Use these hands to fight. Use this voice. Make other people learn. Make other people be aware of the current situation with our help, and inshallah, definitely with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, one day Palestine will be free. Thank you.